the topic that I'm going to talk today is upon SD-WAN and how it could enable the digital transformation that we have been talking today. So it's really a proud moment to be midst of people who really are making a big difference in the progress of the country. I think the vision was very clearly spelled out. How do we make our country the best place to live and the best place to work, right? That is the mission we have embarked upon. And in that mission, we succeed in a big way as well. For that, whatever support technology could provide is what we are going to see. So I represent Fortinet. So Fortinet is a 20-year-old organization specializing in cybersecurity. See, our solutions right from endpoint security till cloud. And this is a company which has a clear vision of securing people, devices and data wherever they are. So that is a mission what we have embarked upon. So in this mission, we have traveled a long way and added some 50 plus products and technologies to the stack that we have. I'm not going to brief for detail about all of them. We are going to focus on SD-WAN, but still I'll just give an idea. And the primary differentiator or the reason why Fortinet today is able to deliver what we promise is the ASIC technology watch. As well, we are seeing IoT adoption in a bigger way. So that too poses a bigger challenge. So we have solutions to address them. How to securely let the user connect wherever he is from his home, from internet cafe or from a hotel. You should be able to confidently give him access by identifying him, knowing that he is the user who he claims. So that could be achieved with technologies like multi-factor authentication. You could even have NAC implemented. So when you have IoT devices, to ensure that the device is the right device, it's an approved device in the organization. So you have technologies to ensure zero trust network access. The left-hand side, whatever you see, are the technologies which ensures the users are securely connecting as well as devices they are using are complying to the posture of an organization. The next one, the red color bar that you see below is about the security that is extended to the network layer. So we believe in security-driven networking. Earlier, networking used to be approached independently in a traditional manner, just use a plain router. But today, that's not going to help you secure the projects that you are embarking upon on the digital transformation. So you need to have the security part of the networking. So there are technologies right from the core next generation firewall, secure technologies that could help you at the secure access layer as well as secure Wi-Fi infrastructure. We have a set of technologies for that. Then you see on the right hand side further is the security solutions that is meant for protecting your applications and also the application that you are moving to cloud. So we have a complete range of solutions that could protect your data, users and your assets wherever they reside. And this is why do we have these many technologies and solutions? What is the need for them? Because the trend and challenges that we are seeing today, they are of this nature. Like the user's experience today need to be better. You can roll out an application which goes online, but if that particular user experience is not up to mark, you could recollect the experience that you used to have when you used to access IRTC website, railway ticketing sites, maybe 3 to 5 years back, the kind of challenge users used to have to book a railway ticket. But today, if you see the kind of options we have, you are able to easily do even a monetary transaction, even make a payment easily without a challenge, So the user experience has to be good for any digital transformation initiative to succeed. The second one is there are lots of edges that has come in. So the perimeter which was pretty well defined earlier, today is no more constrained to the organization's network. You have users spread across, applications migrate to cloud. So the edges have moved out, so that poses other kind of challenge. And today we are also seeing targeted attacks. For example, if you have the personal information of end users, customers, citizens collated in a DB, there is a concerted effort to take that out for multiple reasons. It could be just for marketing purpose. It could be for other malicious purpose to target. For example, today we are using e-commerce websites and online food ordering in a bigger way. But the trend of data that is available, imagine if it gets exposed. On a food ordering app, you give your location, you give your address, and over a period of time, people get the pattern, what kind of food do you order? On a weekend, what do you order? On a weekday, how it's ordered? So if someone knows the pattern, imagine the risk that is exposed. Today, we are seeing that targeted data of high-valued customers alone are targeted and now they are leaked out. So the kind of impact that it will result in is in a very big way. So that is the kind of trend that we are seeing. That is the reason when we embark upon this digital transformation initiatives, security should always be part of it. Security transformation also should accompany this. Otherwise, there will be a setback in the initiatives which won't result the kind of positive progress that we are anticipating. So in that particular journey, what is that's contributing to this risk? Why are the data is being breached in easier manner? Because traditionally, networks were not designed with security in mind. They just wanted to ensure the network is up, application access is happening. They want to make things work. That was the only intention with which things were designed. Later they realized the weaknesses of this network, traditional networks are being exploited to take the data out. That's the reason we are seeing breaches happening in a very big way, frequently. Every day you could see one breach or other. Credit card data going out, customers' data being leaked online. And today hackers could they could challenge and then take a site down or breach customers' data. That is the extent. People who are demanding ransom are able to do that with confidence, saying, I will be able to bring down your web application or your take away your users' data, and they are doing that. Because of these reasons, security was not part of the design. And traditional setup, right, over a period of time, the IT infrastructure grew. As and when needed, the components are just plugged in. So what is the answer for this? You need to have the security from foundation, like from core, this has to be. And then Fortinet solution, the SD-WAN solution is all about having this at core. So the SD-WAN is nothing but software-defined WAN, which could club multiple types of connectivity and then ensure security is there. When you club multiple type of connectivity, you are going to club along with an MPLS, right? You could club a broadband, you could club a 3G, 4G, 5G. Today, you could take the application access to anywhere, to the nook and corners of the country. But you should always have the security in mind. Only if that is there along with, then all these initiatives are going to be successful. So this SD-WAN solution that we have comes with multi-functions together inbuilt in an integrated manner. So we give the SD-WAN functionality along with the next generation firewalling, advanced routing, and also zero trust network access. All of them together can be implemented in a very simpler manner. So this is what Fortinet believes in. Simplify security, make it easily manageable, and then give a very high performing application so that it scales as and when the demand increases. So this is the core solution, and it comes with centralized management. So any number of, for example, if it's SD-WAN, it's going to be multi-location case. So you'll be able to take it to hundreds and thousands of branches in a seamless manner. For that, performance is a core requirement which is inbuilt. And I think my time is up, so I have to rush. I am not going to get into the technicalities of it. So this is a solution which helps organizations seamlessly implement security, giving you the visibility, and also in an integrated fashion, it could ensure automation which is needed for you to achieve the results that you have. And with this I'll conclude my presentation. Thanks for your time.
Can we have a louder round of applause? I would now like to call on the dais Shri G.S. Naveen Kumar, IAS, Special Secretary, Health and Family Welfare, Government of Andhra Pradesh, to please felicitate an amazing presentation given by Mr. Valan Sivasubramanian, Manager Systems Engineering, Fortinet.